Okay, let's talk about something that is quite complicated for readers, but also super important for your character. It's conflict. Character conflict is what pushes your characters to grow and change. If backstory is the secret sauce, this is the salt and seasoning that makes your story exciting. Let's jump in. So, what is conflict? Conflict is the struggle between opposing forces. It's what keeps your readers hooked. And there are two main types of conflict: internal and external. Internal conflict happens inside your character's mind or heart. It's when they wrestle with their own emotions, desires, and beliefs. External conflict is the clash between your character and the outside forces, like another character, society, or even nature. And you've already explored some external conflicts through backstories and relationships and the world that impacts your character. Both types of conflict drive the story forward and help your character grow. Your character might be wrestling with one more than another, and your character can also have external conflicts and internal conflicts. Okay, let me refresh your memory again. Remember when we talked about your character's goals and motivations? Well, I've given you some time to play around with different ideas, but now it's time to lock them in.
Why?
Because this is where internal conflict comes into play. Internal conflict happens when your character's wants clashes with what they actually need. And this conflict gives your character the chance to grow and makes them more complex, dynamic, and relatable. This has been our goal the whole time. Everything we've covered is starting to tie together now.
I just love it when everything comes together.
Imagine a character whose goal is to win a big sports tournament. They want to be the best because they grow up feeling ignorant and want to prove themselves. But deep down, what they really need is to feel accepted and valued by their friends and family. But actually, the journey might teach them that true acceptance doesn't come from trophies. Spoiler alert, it usually doesn't. This clash between want and needs create tension, pushes your character to grow, and makes your story much more interesting. Here's how this works in action. Let's go back to goals and motivations. A goal for a character might be they want to defeat the dragon that destroyed their home. Their motivation might be that they want revenge because they lost their home and family to the dragon. But what they really need is to find a new place to belong and let go of their anger. They need to heal and move forward to find peace. If this sounds familiar, yes, this may be a simplified version of the quest from the book The Hobbit. But it's a lot more complex and I don't believe in spoilers, so you should defs read The Hobbit if you haven't already. Internal conflict isn't just about goals and needs. It's also about your character's strengths and weaknesses, or as we've called them before, traits and flaws. See? It's all coming together! External conflicts often reveal these traits, forcing your character to confront their flaws and discover their true strengths. In Percy Jackson, Percy is brave and loyal, but he's also impulsive. His internal conflict often revolves around his impulsiveness, getting him into trouble. But it also helps him learn to think before he acts, making him a much better hero. Let's get thinking about internal conflict for your character. Identify their goal and motivation. What does your character want and why do they want it? Then determine their need. What do they truly need to be happy or find peace? How does this differ from their goal? Explore their strengths and weaknesses. How do the traits that you've given them create internal conflict? How could they lead to growth? Remember, conflict isn't just about making your characters suffer. It's about helping them grow. A character might start with a goal that seems important, but through their internal conflict, they might realize what they truly need. Luke Skywalker wants to defeat the Empire. That's his goal. But what he really needs is to believe in himself and resist the darkness. This internal conflict is what transforms him from a farm boy into a Jedi Knight. Talk about a glow up. Now it's over to you. Remember, conflict is what pushes your characters to grow and change. It doesn't make them less likable. It makes them more real. Next, we're going to dive deeper into character arcs and how your conflict helps shape them. So my suggestion is to really focus in on what is going to be the conflict for your character. Happy writing and see you next time.